We witness a peculiar
It's Conor McGregor!
as a man approaches a random home, seemingly in search of someone named Chris.
Oh no.
However,
Reverse! What is good? It's your boy Laser. These are the vibes. We're back with another scary reaction video. Fuck. These are this scary content. So I continue to deliver that for you guys. This is reacting to Colin Ring Doorbell. The scariest footage yet. But we're about to see some fucking crazy ass shit. If you guys enjoy this scary content and you just want more scary likes in the future, somebody hit that like button. You subscribe. And turn notice only takes less than a second. I also stream every fucking night on Twitch, guys. Join if you want to get an erection. Let's dive straight into this video.
We are presented with a mysterious encounter as a woman, seemingly
Why is she hiding her face?
conceal her identity.
Show your face, bitch.
A random homeowner's house in broad daylight.
Hiding the ugliness off your face?
Her peculiar behavior raises several questions, leaving us curious about her motives and intentions. As she hides her face behind a piece of paper, it becomes evident that she is deliberately trying to remain anonymous.
Oh, really?
However, the Ring doorbell camera captures glimpses of her face, adding to the enigma surrounding her presence.
Dumbass.
Who is this woman, and what could be the reason behind her unusual actions?
Heh. Sips tea.
In this puzzling clip, we observe a random man approaching a house porch and engaging in a seemingly senseless act of picking up soil and throwing it in front of
Arizona,
the house.
bro? Bro, Arizona's expensive as fuck, bro. Like, honestly, like, not only that, bro, Arizona, isn't there, like, fucking bears and shit?
The motive behind his behavior remains unclear, leaving us questioning his intent and what he could possibly gain from such actions.
Oh, really?
It is possible that this individual may be under the influence of something or experiencing a momentary lapse of judgment, leading to erratic and irrational behavior.
He's under fucking,
Alternatively, there could be a deeper underlying reason,
salvia,
such as a personal grudge or frustration directed towards the homeowner or the property.
Okay. So what the fuck is he doing, bruh? Bruh, Arizona, like, who the fuck wants to live in Arizona? I mean, unless you're rich, but, like, hot as shit, bro. Like, you don't even have grass. Your grass is already dying, bruh. It's fucking hot as hell. More dry than my fucking ex's fucking head, bro.
In this unsettling clip, a random man is caught on camera approaching a house under the cover of darkness, exhibiting creepy behavior as he begins peeking through the windows.
Batman!
His actions raise concern and leave us questioning his intent and motives for such invasive behavior. Peering into someone's home without permission is a clear invasion of privacy and can be an indication of potential criminal activity or ill intent.
Oh, really?
It is essential to be cautious and vigilant when encountering individuals engaging in suspicious behavior like this.
Really? That's creepy as shit, bro. What's he doing, though? What's that bitch doing?
Get away from my house.
He casually just said, "Get away from the house." Hey, bro, let him fucking do what he's got to do, bro.
Get away.
He's trying to masturbate, bro.
Calling the cops right now. Cops are on their way.
He was casually saying that shit, bro.
In this intriguing clip, a random man approaches a house during the daytime and proceeds to knock on the back door.
That's me.
When questioned about his presence, he claims to be inquiring about the property's availability for sale. However, the homeowner inside remains suspicious of his intentions, suspecting that he may have ulterior motives.
Oh, yeah? That's hot, bro.
Ask you about this house. Is this house for sale?
Your dick's up for sale.
Oh, is the house for sale? No. Okay,
Bro, this motherfucker literally just went to someone's house and was like, "Is this house for sale?" Like, holy shit, bro. He wants to fucking take that crib, bro, and smoke the fuck out of it, you know?
why not? Where am I supposed to knock at?
He wants to buy the house, bro, and he's getting mad.
What you say? But I did already. So that milk is spoiled already, bro. I come to ask you about your house.
What the fuck?
I come to ask you about your house. What you say?
Fuck is this motherfucker saying, bro?
So then you know I just come to ask you about the house.
You don't do that.
He gone. Oh, he's having trouble getting out, bro. Where'd you get your driver's license from, bitch? Your mom's basement?
In this alarming clip, a man concealing his identity with a shirt proceeds to break into a gym, unleashing a wave
What
of
the fuck does he have on his head, bro?
With no regard for the property or the belongings of others, he swiftly targets bags and other items left unattended.
Does he have an orange on his head, bro?
Burglaries and thefts like these can be not only financially damaging, but also emotionally distressing for the victims.
This is hard
Such
watching.
incidents serve as a reminder of the importance of maintaining secure premises and staying vigilant about personal belongings.
Oh, yeah? Bro, what the fuck, though? Like, that long-ass rag, bro. Long as fuck. What's he doing? Bro, look at that fucking suitcase, bro. That's just big as fuck, bro. It's more big than Beetlejuice. Hey, I love Beetlejuice, though. I fucking love you, bro. You're funny as shit. And what the fuck is that, bro? Is that a dinosaur without legs? I don't know what's going on right now. I don't even know what's going on. Something's wrong and I can feel it. That's cute, bro.
In this comical yet slightly awkward clip, a random man mistakenly opens the door of the wrong house and boldly walks inside, completely unaware of his error.
Oh, you're wrong?
He is met with an unexpected surprise, a vigilant dog who immediately starts barking at the intruder. The man's sudden encounter with the dog startles him, and he quickly realizes his mistake. With a mix of embarrassment and surprise, he promptly exits the house.
That's how my dog used to bark, bro. Like, his barks would literally be, like, disabled.
I have the wrong house. Sorry about
that. He gone, bro.
In this eye-opening clip, we witness a random drunk woman stumbling upon a house at night and ringing the doorbell camera before walking away.
Oh, dude, that hair's a
The
problem.
incident serves as a valuable reminder of the importance of home security and the need to keep doors locked to protect ourselves and our homes.
She's on some heavy shit. No way. That's some heroin type shit right there.
In this intriguing clip,
Inject me with it.
approaching a house and ringing the doorbell camera before waiting outside. Upon realizing that there is no homeowner present, the individual seizes the opportunity to steal something out of the Ring doorbell camera lens's view before making a hasty retreat.
Oh, yeah?
As viewers, we can only speculate about what the person might have taken since the camera's view was obstructed. It could have been a package left at the doorstep, a valuable item, or even something smaller and inconspicuous.
Oh, yeah?
Leave a comment down below as what it could have been.
I don't know, bro. That's a good question. That's a good fucking question, man. Very good question. What the fuck is he doing, bro?
In this compelling clip, we witness a tense encounter as a man with ill intent is seen wandering around the front porch of a homeowner's house, dangerously close to his car.
Ooh, I'm dangerous.
The vigilant
Try me.
homeowner, sensing something amiss, decides to take action and exits his home to confront the individual outside of his property.
Try me, bro. What's going on, man? What's going on here, bro?
In this intriguing clip, we witness a curious sight as a drunken man stumbles around outside a homeowner's house in the middle of the night.
Look at that shirt, bro. It makes me hacked up.
Unaware
It's
of the
turned
visitor,
on.
peacefully sleeps inside, while the inebriated man wanders aimlessly in the darkness.
I'm turned on by that, bro. That shit's hot as fuck.
In this intriguing clip, we witness an unexpected encounter as a random man swiftly runs over and steals what appears to be a mobile hose spray for cars from the homeowner's property.
Oh, really?
The act is executed with such speed and determination that it leaves the homeowner bewildered and unable to react in time.
Really?
In this intriguing clip, we witness a peculiar
It's Conor
encounter
McGregor!
as a man approaches a random home, seemingly in search of someone named Chris.
Oh no.
However, his behavior and speech patterns indicate that he is unmistakably under the influence of something.
All of a sudden, my name's Chris.
The
Come
man's
suck me off,
disoriented state
McGregor.
becomes evident as he struggles to articulate his words clearly and exhibits unsteady movements. His
McGregor.
request to meet Chris lacks context and appears out of place, leaving the homeowner puzzled and cautious about the stranger's intentions.
See the skateboard, bruh. Masturbate with it, bruh. McGregor, bro. If I ever met McGregor, bruh, I would fuck him in a heartbeat. He's sexy as fuck.
Is Chris here?
He's like an American McGregor, bruh, that didn't make it in UFC.
Okay. Apologize, then. I'm sorry, Steven.
He kind of does sound like McGregor, bruh. He does
Similar
sound like
to the
him.
last clip, we observe a random woman who appears to be under the influence of something, struggling to maintain her balance.
Look at
and
her
walks away
eyes,
from a
bruh.
random house in the middle of the night.
Look at her
Her
eyebrows.
unsteady movements and disoriented behavior suggest that she might have consumed substances that have affected her coordination and cognitive abilities.
Spice, bruh. Spice.
In this intriguing clip, a mysterious woman is observed standing in front of a random house, with the homeowner expressing complete bewilderment about her presence and intentions.
Have I seen this before?
The woman's appearance and actions are unfamiliar to the homeowner, raising questions about her motives and purpose for being there.
Damn, that's crazy,
As
bruh.